Hi, this is Clint from Versa. We recently did a video response to a Fortune 100 Secure SD-WAN RFI. We wanted to share the generic Acme version of our response. So agenda-wise, we're going to go through the top 10 problems that Versa can solve for Acme, independent third-party analysis of the Versa Secure SD-WAN solution, our solution overview, our solution design, and our capabilities. So Acme is looking for a secure SD-WAN transformation for 1,200 global sites and 2 data centers. In your branches, each SD-WAN appliance must also support next-generation firewall and unified threat management. And each site will have both a 25 megabit MPLS transport and a 100 megabit internet transport. And Acme seeks historical analytics and reporting, and the vendor to cloud host the solution management. So the top 10 problems Versa can solve for Acme: 1, we can eliminate branch network appliance sprawl. 2, we can templatize your branch networks. 3, we can improve visibility into LAN, WAN, and security. 4, we can now zero-touch provision an Acme branch. 5, we can ensure high-quality voice and video across commodity internet transport. 6, we can improve user experience for key business applications. 7, we can transform to an elegant global multi-tenant secure SD-WAN. 8, we can have a dramatic cost reduction both in terms of CapEx and OpEx. So some of the unique capabilities Versa brings to Acme: 1, we have a SD-WAN solution with fully integrated next-generation firewall and unified threat management to secure Acme branches. We offer powerful multi-tenancy that delivers robust segmentation for Acme. We offer powerful analytics with improved reporting and visibility. We can load other VMs or VNFs on top of your Versa appliance in the branch. Versa can scale to 20 gigabits of encrypted SD-WAN per Versa appliance. We include an integrated SD-WAN to MPLS to IP underlay gateway that makes integrating Versa SD-WAN into your brownfield deployment as seamless as possible. We do support an industry-leading sub-1 second HA failover, and we do offer industry-leading scale to support the growth of Acme. So why is Versa the best business decision for Acme? 1, per the previous slide, we feel we have the best technical solution. 2, Versa is deployed in some of the largest global enterprise and global retailers in the world, so we have a proven solution. We would have Versa experts working on your secure SD-WAN project to ensure project success, and we believe we offer the best commercial value to Acme. So Gardner ranks Versa a leading WAN edge visionary, and NSS Labs recommends Versa for not only SD-WAN, but also next-generation firewall and next-generation IPS. So Gardner's gone on to say, Versa should be considered by enterprises of all size and verticals for SD-WAN solutions, especially where advanced security and flexible deployment options are desired. Gardner's gone on to say, we believe Versa's vision of consolidating and simplifying WAN edge is validated. Versa ranked number 2 overall in security, second only to a 10-year security vendor. Versa ranked number 1 in SD-WAN capabilities. Versa recommended for any WAN edge use case for any enterprise. And Versa's solution ranked in the top 3 for all 4 Gardner SD-WAN use cases. So this is from NSS Labs, and they recommend the Versa next generation firewall. As you can see from this chart, Versa's ranked as having similar security effectiveness to Fortinet. In terms of next gen IPS, Versa is again NSS Labs recommended, and they ranked our security effectiveness as slightly higher than Palo Alto Networks. In terms of solution overview, what Versa's done that's very interesting is we built a single piece piece of software that provides full SD-WAN capabilities, next-generation firewall, unified threat management, advanced routing, and WAN optimization. This software runs natively on an x86 platform. It can be deployed on a physical appliance, a virtual appliance, or on the cloud. We include robust network analytics, robust multi-tenancy, open APIs into every single element, with sophisticated network and security orchestration. So in the Versa deployment, each branch, data center, and cloud instance gets a Versa Secure SD-WAN node. This could once again be a physical appliance or a virtual appliance. Versa Director provides centralized network and policy management for the entire infrastructure. Our integrated next-generation firewall secures the SD-WAN. In addition, because there's a local security stack at each branch, we can also detect and block lateral movement of an intruder between sites. You can deploy Versa on a Versa appliance, a Versa certified Dell VEP appliance, any of the popular cloud platforms, or any of the popular virtualization platforms. So a typical Acme site will have 2 HA Versa appliances. These appliances are performing SD-WAN functions, security functions, routing functions, WAN optimization functions, LT connectivity, and if it's an 8-core appliance, we can also host other VMs or VNFs. With the Versa high availability architecture, this allows us to use both WAN transports. A WAN transport or SD-WAN appliance failure will have zero impact on the site. So Versa Director is our management and orchestration platform. It allows you to design, deploy, and operate the network. Versa Analytics is our big data solution, and this allows you to look at historical data regarding WAN usage, LAN usage, and security. In terms of our detailed design for Acme, each site will get a Versa Secure SD-WAN node or redundant HA nodes. Data centers will get a pair of HA Versa Secure SD-WAN appliances. And then Versa will cloud host the head end, and this will appear to Acme as a single pane of glass for solution management. In terms of redundancy architecture, we'll have redundant Versa Secure SD-WAN nodes in your data centers and in your major sites, and every element of the Versa hosted head end is HA. These are the Versa branch appliance options for Acme. So we have both 2, 4, and 8-core Intel Atom-based appliances. These all support 6 routed gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 SFP garages. These boxes support up to 2 integrated LTE radios for WAN connectivity. They're available with integrated 802.11ac Wi-Fi. They are fanless, so they do run silent. And any of the appliances with 8 or more processing cores supports the Versa UCPE function, which allows you to load other VMs or VNFs on top of Versa. Dell also offers a family of network appliances that ship with the Versa software installed. These include 4, 8, and 16-core Intel Atom appliances, and then 8 and 16-core Xeon appliances. The Xeon-based appliances do include redundant hot swap load sharing power supplies, 10 gigabit interfaces. The higher-end 930 appliance supports up to 6 routed 10 gigabit Ethernet ports. So between the Versa appliances and the Dell appliances, we offer a wide range of network appliance options for Acme, and we give Acme a primary and secondary hardware option for your deployment. For hub secure SD-WAN nodes, we're proposing the Dell VEP V930. These support 13 gigabits of secure SD-WAN. In terms of licensing, we're proposing our Premier Elite SD-WAN feature set. This includes our advanced routing capabilities, analytics, SD-WAN, next generation firewall, and unified threat management. For branch locations, we're proposing a 100 megabit license. For data center sites, we're proposing a 10 gigabit license. And we're also proposing a 5-year subscription duration for Acme. And with this license, you also are entitled to use Versa Director, the Versa Controller, and Versa Technical Support. So some key Versa capabilities for Acme. So we do use a template-based network configuration model. This defines a standard template for an Acme branch office and an Acme store and an Acme distribution center. So you define that template once, and then each site consumes that template with the unique IP LAN data and IP WAN data for each site. We can also have service templates that feed into those site templates for things like firewall, QoS, and service chaining. This means you can define one standard firewall template and have each different site template use that same firewall template. Versa does offer powerful security capabilities. These include IP filtering, DNS filtering, URL filtering, DNS proxy, split proxy, file filtering, antivirus, IDS, IPS, HTTP and HTTPS proxy, SSL decryption. So Versa does offer powerful carrier class multi-tenancy. So a single Versa headend can support up to 512 tenants with 5 levels of tenancy and up to 1,024 VRFs per tenant. Every single element of our solution is multi-tenant. This goes from the headend to the hub routers to the controllers to the branch appliances. This delivers robust network segmentation. So for example, at Acme, you could have one enterprise SD-WAN, one IoT SD-WAN, and one guest Wi-Fi SD-WAN that spans the common Acme global SD-WAN infrastructure. So for example, for the enterprise network, you can have one topology, one set of SD-WAN keys, role-based authentication, network policy, and security policy. And then for IoT and guest, have similar separate SD-WAN topologies, keys, and policy. So every element from the head end to the hub routers, to the controllers, to the branch sites, all support multi-tenancy. Versa does support a powerful UCP capability, which allows you to load other VMs or VNFs on top of Versa, and Versa can perform layer 2 or layer 3 service chain management. Some other noteworthy Versa capabilities: we do support up to 8 WAN transports per branch appliance. We have complete support for IP version 6 for underlay. We do support CGNAT and NAT64. We do support full mesh SD-WAN even when behind NAT routers. We support standard BGP for the overlay, so there's no new proprietary overlay protocols to learn. We do support SLAs based on voice MOS score. We do support forward error correction and packet cloning. And we do have network appliances available with T1 and E1 support. So in summary, by integrating SD-WAN, advanced routing, next generation firewall, and unified threat management into a single piece of software running natively on x86, we give Acme the ultimate secure SD-WAN edge solution. Versa's industry-leading multi-tenancy delivers complete segmentation between the Acme Enterprise Network, IoT Network, Guest Network, and independent business units. Versa delivers sophisticated network orchestration, security policy management, and analytics from a single pane of glass. Versa is the only networking vendor that is NSS Labs recommended for SD-WAN, next-gen firewall, and next-gen IPS. And by delivering a complete, unified, secure SD-WAN solution, Versa delivers the best value to Acme. We believe Versa is the best technical solution and the best business decision for Acme. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.